Vinny at shopmask.com. Welcome to another Mask Minute. So Dr. Dennis Gross recently reintroduced a product that they used to sell and then stopped making. It's a colloidal sulfur mask. It used to be in a round jar and it's now in this tube here like this. So if you have acne or are prone to really oily skin or enlarged pores, this might be a good product to add to your routine. It's a multi-purpose product, so it can be used for all of those things I just mentioned. It can be used to help dry up a blemish, prevent future breakouts, reduce the appearance of pores, reduce oiliness, get the skin more balanced. So key ingredients are colloidal sulfur, and then it also has some kaolin and some bentonite clay. Looks like that. Also has some zinc oxide in it, which helps to reduce the appearance of scars and imperfections, just keep the skin calm, that sort of thing. So you can use it anywhere on the body really that you get a breakout. So it can be used on the face, it can be used on the chest, it can be used in the back, and you would basically just take a small amount. It's very concentrated, very dense. You take a small amount, apply it to clean skin, and then you can leave it on for a little while and then rinse it off. You can even leave it on overnight if you want. And it can also be applied up to 3 times a day if you really want to zap that zit. It's non-drying, so it's not going to dry the skin out harshly, but it's going to do a good job of addressing the issue, which is probably going to be the breakout that you're having. So yeah, if you're looking for an acne fighter, check it out, the Dr. Dennis Gross colloidal sulfur mask on shopmask.com. And of course, if you're in Vancouver, it's in the store too. Thanks for listening.